Master EDCOIN Wallet. Update profile details. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to update your Master EDCOIN Wallet profile. That will include your profile photo, your email address, and phone number. Update profile details. Click the user icon to navigate to the settings screen. Click Update Info to update your profile or account information. Click the eye icon in the user image to update your profile photo. Click OK to continue enabling access to your phone storage. Click App Permission to toggle the Enable Access button. Click Files and Media. Click Allow Access to Media Only to enable the access. Navigate back to the app. Click the eye icon again and choose the relevant actions. The relevant actions could be uploading your image from either the gallery or any relevant folder. Click Save Update to submit the information updates. You can enter a new email address to update your new email. You can enter a new phone number to update your contact information too. Click Save Update to submit. You will see profile data was updated successfully as a message of a successful change.